Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about HTML computer code formatting. Now we'll try to understand what does computer code formatting says. The KDD, SAMP and COD code tags. These are three tags. KBD, SAMP, what are these codes? What are its abbreviation? I'll tell you. Elements are used for computer code formatting. Now these three are the major tags which are used for computer code formatting. Now these things you have to remember, learners. These are the three major tags which represent or which helps you to do code formatting in HTML. These elements are support fixed letter size and spacing. And so we will try to see the very first KBD means keyboard. The HTML KBD elements defines the keyboard input, and this is an example. KBD file open KBD. Now did this look very peculiar what it's all about, but let me first take you to the Notepad++ where you will be able to understand what this KBD is all about. Okay, so here's the Notepad++. The very first example is like this. So let's make an edit. We'll remove this KBD for a while. Okay, yeah. Now we will save this file, save as, in the folder. You can save anywhere you want. I'll save it in a particular folder. Open, and my name would be test27.html. You can give any name which you want. Now let's go back to the destination and we'll open up in the Google Chrome browser. Okay, let's see what could be the outcome. Now this is a simple way, just how we represent the text on the website. It is written file open in the paragraph tag. There is no such tags, it is being enclosed. So now we will use that tag of KBD. Now this KBD tag, keyboard, KBD means key, K-B-O-B and D, keyboard. This is the keyboard tag. Now what it does really do, it does a formatting. For example, if we save this file, Ctrl+S, go again back to the Chrome, reload this page. Yeah, now let me zoom out a bit. I'm zooming this file. Now this is how, okay, I think the text is getting into different way. So I think now you can understand. Yeah, file open. Now the appearance has changed. This is something which is being typed by the keyboard. It looks that the appearance has gone in a very different way. This is the code format. Generally we use this code format if you are making any kind of a website, for example like coding website. There are many blogs that people write on the internet related to coding, how to represent this way. If you are doing any, or you want to represent any kind of codes, then you can do all these things. Now let's move forward after keyboard input. In the whole sum up we will try to understand basically, yes, what does this keyboard SAMP and code means. Now the second tag that we have discussed is SAMP. The HTML element defines sample output from a computer program. This SAMP means sample output. Now this is an example, SAMP, and this is the whole text. Yeah, you could not be getting it what it's all about. Again we will go back to Notepad++, and this is the example which we have discussed in that slide. And yes, here you can see we have written it. So here also we will edit. We'll remove this SAMP, means sample code formatting. We will remove this SAMP and we will save this file. Okay, we will save this file in the folder HTML, and we will save it with a name of test28.html. Again we will go back to the destination. We'll open up in the Google Chrome web browser. Let's see what does it generate. Now this also generates the same way if you don't put any tag, because this whole text is written in just a paragraph tag. Again we will write the SAMP. We will now enclose the whole text in the SAMP. We will do Ctrl+S. We'll go back to the Chrome, reload this page. Yeah, now see the appearance has changed, you can see. So this kind of text, if you want in your website, you can use SAMP, you can use keyboard sample. You want to show this text as a sample in your website, then you can use this SAMP. Now again, the very first we have discussed was KBD, second was SAMP, third was code, HTML computer code. The HTML code elements defines a piece of programming code. Now this is an example. For example, var x5 and all document get element by id. Again we will use the same example in the notepad++. Here is that file. We will remove again the code, and let's see. Also again we will remove this code. We will save this file. Okay, we will save this file in the folder HTML tutorial E. Open. I am given the name text29.html extension. Going back to the folder, opening this file, yes, in the Google Chrome. Let's see. Again you could see that it's the same way. It's the representation, it's somewhat the same way what the paragraph text is all about. Now again we will regenerate that code tag. You can see I've enclosed the whole text now in the code tag. Now again we'll do Ctrl+S, going to the browser. We will reload this or refresh this web page. Now again you can see the text has been changed. Now learners, I will be giving you a practical example. See, if you go to the Puri Padhai website, in this also you can see why I was telling about those KBD, SAMP and code. Here you can see that, see, piece style, how you will represent this thing. All these things, if you want to represent, if you want to add something like that in your website, then how you will do it. Then those were the 3 key tags that were used for computer code. We want to generate that formatting in your website. Now it could be for programming also, it could be for anything else you want to represent in the same code style format. Then you can use this KBD, SAMP and the code formats. So hope learners, you would have understood the concept of computer code formatting, where this 3 major SAMP, code and KBD is used. So thank you learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you.